Morning, welcome to another vlog. We are here at Thorpe Park Fright Nights. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, should be good this year. Heard good things. Watched a couple of vlogs on it, but not too many, so I don't know everything that's happening. But yeah, definitely looking forward to the mazes this year and the scare actors that are going to be everywhere. So let's have a good day. So first ride of the day is going to be Walking Dead. Not been on this one before, excited. Didn't go on X either, so don't actually know what the ride is about at all. Yeah, heard mixed reviews about it, but I love The Walking Dead, so I'm probably going to love this. Yeah, we'll let you know what we think when we come off. So I just had our first go on The Walking Dead, the ride, and yeah, it's good. I like it. I like the theming, I like the idea of it. I think with actors it would be a million times better because there's a lot of empty space if you haven't got actors in there. Hopefully they'll bring it back for Fright Nights at some point. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, we might do it again a bit later. But yeah, the queue's a bit mad at the moment, so go do something else. Here's the Walking Dead Do or Die that's replaced where Big Top was. Yeah, it was good. Bit of a shame. Look, I enjoyed Big Top last year, didn't you?
Yeah,
especially because we got our little solo walkthrough last year, which was really good. But yeah, heard good things about this one, so yeah, we'll wait until it's dark to do this. Mazes don't start till 3 anyway, so we've got a little bit of a wait. Just had to go on Swarm, back row ride, which is really good at the back, so it really sort of drags you over that first drop with a nice slow twist. Was it good? Enjoyed it?
I did, very much so.
Yeah, it's a good one. We're going to do it again in the dark, hopefully try and get on the front in the dark because that's amazing. I think we're going to go do Containment now. We've got a 3:30 slot, so yeah, we'll do that first. And yeah, let you know how we get on. Done Containment. That is an interesting one. It is hard as nails. Out of the 4 rooms, so basically you're in them containers, you've got 4 rooms to go and you've got to try and figure stuff out, and there's like no light, it's flashing, there's some actors in there, they're just going crazy, and yeah, that's really hard. We managed to do 1 room out of the 4. The others, yeah, I don't think we even came close. I'm not going to say what the rooms were because then it would just spoil it for everybody, but it's really hard. Yeah, I think we only managed to get 1 of them out of chance, but yeah, it was good, enjoyed it. Probably would do it again, but yeah, let me know what you think down below. that was the Big Top showtime. How did you find that?
Different.
Yeah, that actually worked a lot better than what I thought it was going to. I thought it'd be a bit rubbish, but yeah, I think the way they did it definitely got a good reaction, and everybody was running around like mad people. And yeah, so it's going to be good if they're walking around the park tonight. And yeah, it was a good move. Good move. So we've done Containment. We're now going to go do Walking Dead Living Nightmare, because they're the only two scare mazes that are indoors, so it doesn't matter when you do them. And then hopefully by the time we come out we might hit a ride, I think, and then it should be dark, so then we can smash out the rest of them. So yeah, queue times don't look too bad. It's about an hour for each maze at the moment. So yeah, there's Vulcan Peak. So Walking Dead Living Nightmare, yeah, got high hopes for this. It was brilliant last year. Hopefully it's just as good this year. Hopefully Negan's still in it. So yeah, we'll let you know what it's like when we come out the other side. So we've just done Walking Dead Living Nightmare. You wasn't a big fan of it this year, was you?
No, it lacked.
I think there was nothing changed at all. All the theming. I mean, the theming is really good, but it was exactly the same as it was last year. There wasn't that many actors in there, and also they didn't have Negan at the start, which is kind of a massive point.
But it was just female.
Yeah, but it wasn't the Negan with the baseball bat and everything, and they were sending around larger groups. Obviously, they need to put through, but I think it took away from the experience a little bit. So yeah. We're gonna wait for it to get dark now and then do some more. So, yeah. We've just come off Dead Creek Woods. Yeah, I don't really know what to think about that one. It just seems like they had a bit of space and they had to fill it. You weren't a big fan of that one? No, just yeah, kind of pointless, to be honest. It's something to do. Queues aren't what the times are saying they are. They're queuing. What was that one? They said 70 minutes, didn't they, for that?
Yeah, and it was just under half an hour.
Yeah, it was just under half an hour, so yeah, the queue boards are a little bit out. I think we're going to go, what we're going to check out now, the new Walking Dead one, I think, Containment. No, not Containment, what's it called? The new Walking Dead one, Do or Die.
Yeah, Do or Die.
Yeah, we're going to go do Do or Die now. Hopefully it should be dark by the time we finish that one. And yeah. We'll let you know what we think of it. Just done Walking Dead Do or Die. For how long we waited in the queue, it wasn't really worth it, I don't think. It was advertised as a 70-minute wait, but we was in there for over an hour and a half waiting to queue. The issue seemed to be that there was a lot of people with fast tracks. Like, a massive amount of people with fast tracks, which yeah, obviously made the normal queue go really, really slowly. But yeah, I mean, it's a good maze. The theming was good. It's better than Sanctum, but it's still not as good as Living Nightmare.
Time to meet another one of our wonderful Amity Cove
yeah, we're going to go check out Vulcan Peak and Blair Witch, see what their queue times are like.
What do you got for us today?
Yeah. It was alright, So I think Thorpe Park at night have definitely got it right with the lighting and stuff. It's just everything looks so good at night. All the rides are all lit up, and yeah, it's a beautiful place at night. We've just done Blair Witch Project, and yeah, that's a good maze. That's definitely one of the stronger ones we've been on. It's nice and tight and compact. It's yeah, one of my highly recommended ones, that one. Also, it was advertised at a 90-minute wait, and that was what? How long was that?
40 minutes.
40 minutes was waiting for that. So
once we've already been to
that was a good one. A lot better than Do or Die. So yeah, I would do that one again.
Guys, I kind of want to get food.
So we've just done platform 15, and yeah, again, as of last year, it was a really strong maze. Really enjoyed that. They made the only change I could tell was the change at the end. They had, which was good. It was a really good ending. Yeah, enjoyed that one. Highly recommend that maze. We haven't managed to do all the mazes tonight because we've run out of time. The only ones we haven't done is Saw Alive, but to be fair, that 90 minutes Darren Brown. Yeah, Darren Brown's been really busy all day. It did go down earlier, but it's just been really busy, and it's still one that I haven't done, but I'll probably try and do on my next visit. But yeah, we haven't done Saw Alive, and we haven't done Vulcan Peak. Apparently it wasn't that good, so we chose platform 15 over Vulcan Peak. Then we're going to finish off on a ride on Swarm, because it's only a 20-minute queue. We was planning to do Nemesis, but that's quite a wait, so we're not going to stay for that. As good as that is in the dark, we'll do Swarm in the dark. Yeah, but yeah, this year's Fright Nights, I think it's really good. I think they don't need to do as many scare mazes, and they need to concentrate on a few less, but have more actors and stuff in them, pay a bit more attention to them, and then I think it'll improve it over this year. But it's still been really good. And yeah, have you enjoyed it?
Yes.
What's been your favourite maze?
I don't know. I quite liked Blair Witch, but I do like platform 15.
Yeah, platform 15 is good. Blair Witch I thought was very good. Probably needs to be a little bit longer for me to rate it in one of the top ones. But yeah, I thought it was a really good idea. Very well done. The actors were good. Didn't require a lot of actors, but you didn't see them until the last minute, so it had that jump scare element. My favourite maze was... What was my favourite maze? Probably platform 15 actually. I thought that was done really well, and the ending, added that extra little bit of surprise to it. The consignment escape rooms though, I thought they were really good. It's a good idea that Thorpe and Alton Towers need to grow on that and improve it, and I think that is the way forward for scare mazes, to be honest. So yeah, we're going to finish off on a ride with Swarm in the dark, and then we're going to call it for Fright Nights 2018. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you later. I love this area at night. It's just so amazing. So well done. Let's do it. Swarm at night.